Storms producing tornadoes and heavy rains rolled through parts of the southern US on March 3rd, killing at least 12 people and leaving over 1 million customers without power, authorities said. The National Weather Service said the powerful storm was moving to the northeast and would cause heavy snow and sleet from northeastern Michigan east to New York State. Parts of central New York and southern New England may see over a foot of snow. Kentucky Governor Andy said at least 2 tornadoes sparked by the storm system ripped through the western part of his state on March 3rd. Aside from the tornadoes, he said thunderstorms in Kentucky were generating winds of 80 miles per hour, which are strong enough to blow tractor trailers off the road. More than 1.4 million homes and businesses were without power in states impacted by the storm, according to the data from Power Outage of US.